Shraddha, what is the right time to post on LinkedIn? This have been the most asked question to me, and now this led me to make this video for you. You know what? So many people think that there can be an ideal time. I'm gonna tell you the ideal time in the end of this video, but I'm gonna tell you some important things before you decide what is the right time for you to post on LinkedIn. You know, number one thing is that there are certain people think that I'm at least posting on LinkedIn. I don't care about time. So if you are someone, you are making huge mistake. Better you don't post, because if you are posting at the wrong time, it is not going to that audience. It will not bring any benefit to you, which leads to waste efforts. Okay, to know what time works for you, you have to give a multiple try, but you cannot try 24 times, right? Because there are 24 hours in a day. Now what you have to do is you have to have 3 different timings and test out. I'll give you the entire strategy, and to make this strategy for you, I have this one approach called your time. Look, when you are active, write down that time. When your audience would be active, write down that time. And there'll be also a time that you think your audience will be active, so write down that time as well. You know what? You are now confused. Okay, I'm gonna make it even easier for you. When you are trying to figure out what is the right time for you, think in that way that managers, decision makers are very busy in early mornings, so they might not be active during the hours of official hours, of course, but they would be active before reaching to the office and signing off for the day. So you have to do is that you have to make sure you capture that time. So the travel time you have to figure out for the kind of professionals if you are targeting. So let's say my target audience would be entrepreneurs, managers, senior leaders, and so people. What I do is I think that okay, official timing starts usually for these senior people approximately from 10 a.m. till 6 p.m. Okay, now I'm not gonna post during these times. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna post before 10 a.m. So my ideal time becomes either 8 a.m., 9 a.m., or maybe 9:30. That's all. Similarly, you have to think about your target audience, that what time can be better. This leads me to say that if you are also a working professional, think in that manner. Ideally on LinkedIn, what time works is of course from 8 a.m. till 12 p.m. Why I'm gonna tell you this? Because there are creators, there are influencers, they would be available, and there are a lot of employees also. They take a bit of breakfast break, or I should say tea break, and that happens usually between 11 to 12 p.m. That's why these timings work. So you know, I am managing more than 100 of accounts, so I can say that loudly. When you're trying to figure out the best time for you on LinkedIn, make sure you test out multiple timings, but not more than 3 timings. So how you can start the testing? Ideally keep morning hours for you. Try posting on 9 a.m., 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. Now, when you do that, keep it, let's say there is 1 week and you are going to post 6 times. So divide these 6 times in 2 to 2 different timings. And with that, you'll come to know that, okay, in these hours, I'm getting so many impressions, and you have to decide based on impressions, not based on likes, not based on comments, not based on any other metric, but impressions. So you have to analyze your first hour when you make a post, okay? So let's say my post goes live at 9 a.m. So I'm gonna give it a track that whether within this 1 hour, is it getting me some views, some likes, some comments. Initially, if you are a beginner on LinkedIn, you don't have more than 1,000 of following, please do not decide thinking like I don't get any likes and comments, because you know, it completely depends on you how many comments and likes you give back to the platform. It's very easy to understand that this platform is testing and checking out on you that what all you are trying to do here. If you're just pushing post, it will understand that you're trying to promote something. No, I'm not gonna put your post on others' feed. But if you're trying to have conversation, build relationships, then you will also engage with others' post. With that, it gains you so many likes and followers and viewership on your LinkedIn post as well. So if you are still not understanding what time is right for you, I'll give you a timing of test out from 8 a.m. till 11 a.m. And in evening, mostly 4 p.m. and 5 p.m. works. Mostly for many people in evenings also 8 p.m. works well. So you can test that out as well. Now you cannot expect shraddha to say that this is the right time, because there is no ideal time. It only depends on you. Now I'll tell you, when I post, what is the right time for me. I post at 9 a.m. I also post at 4 p.m. These are the two timings that works best for me. I don't post any other time. At times I may give it a try for 8 p.m. as well, but I mostly stick to my morning timings because mornings are the best to post on. That's about it. If you are looking to create content and grow your entire journey, make sure that you add in your watch list this playlist, because this will help you to gain so many benefits from LinkedIn. Watch me in the next one. Till then, bye bye.